Hi everyone, thanks so much for deciding to watch my video today. If you are new, welcome. My name is Maureen and I am so happy to have you here. And today's video is from a company called Mongoose, and they are a monthly jewelry subscription that is $12 a month, plus you have to pay shipping of a few dollars. I'm not sure. I think it's about $3-4 in shipping. I think it's $15.99 in total, and you receive 3 pieces of jewelry. And they also offer a Mint Mongoose Black, which you receive 4 pieces of jewelry plus 2 accessories, and that is $22.99. And I do believe that is free shipping, and you do get an email that you get to pick one of your accessories. Every 3 months that you are a member, you receive a free gift. You can skip or cancel at any time. You're customizing your choices by picking your metal choice of silver, rose gold, or gold. So let's get right into this month's unbagging, and it always comes in this mint color, blue, teal color mailer. And then you always get a nice little, let's just make sure there's nothing else in there. So you always get a nice little mailer. And this is what the package looks like, and it always has the, ribbon with the seal. So we're going to cut that to get into it. And this is just like a little cardboard type box. So, oops. So we have that, and you always get a thank you card for every month. And it just basically tells you, yay, it's here if you post photos, and, to tag Mint Mongoose, which is nice. So we'll put that there. One unique feature is in every bag you get a Werther's Original Candy, and I think most people like those. And then I have a ring in this box. I don't know if that's going to focus or not. And this one, that's what that looks like. So it's like a leaf design with an arrow, and it's adjustable because the top is open. So you could wear it on that finger, and if I opened it up a little bit more, I could get it on that finger. I don't know how it would look on your thumb, probably a little bit too much, but definitely cute. So there's a ring. And a lot of times the rings are loose, they're not in the bundle. So then you get a bundle, and it's usually with the, green type of tissue paper. It's always wrapped up. So let's just, here. So we have 2 pieces. So we'll do this one first. And you always have the Mint Mongoose tag on it, letting you know that if you spend $40 on individual items in their online shop, you receive your next box for free. And that's at mintmongoose.com. And everything is always nicely packaged. If I could just get into them. Some months they don't make it easy to get into the packages. And that's usually when I cut them, but I think I got this one. So it's always in a plastic bag with the tag on it, and then it's always in a little, bubble, packet. And then we have a necklace. So this is the necklace. Hold it up to my jacket so you guys can see it. So that's pretty. It's like a black stone and it's nice and smooth. There's the back. Nice, I picked silver, so a nice silver chain. Adjustable, so you can see the adjustability right there. And it has a little Mint Mongoose tag. So, I don't know if you'll be able to see it a little bit better because of probably not because of the black. So let's just see. So there's the stone. So that's pretty. And then we have the ring. I'll leave that there. And then this looks like earrings. I mean, I love that the packaging is so well, but these things sometimes are so difficult to open. So let's get into this one. And it looks like the earrings match. If I could just get them out. So yes, here are the earrings, and these are for pierced ears. Oops. Drop everything. Right out of my hand they went. So these are the earrings. So these are very pretty. Lots of glitz. And the backing. So here, I don't know if I can just slip that. I do have, let me see if I can get this on there. I don't know how you get this off. Okay, cannot get that off. So it's just, here's your backing. So I think these hold them in your ears nicer. It's just that little raised back with the little shield. So I think it keeps them closer to your ear, which is nice. Because sometimes the earrings, you know, fall through, but they are adorable. So the earrings match, which generally the earrings and the necklace or bracelet and necklace, you do get a variety of things. It's not always necklace and earrings. Sometimes you get a bracelet, which is nice. Ring might be the, I think you always get a necklace and earrings, and it's the ring and the bracelet that might be interchangeable. So that's the March 2019 Mint Mongoose of the beautiful necklace. And the ring, which is very nice. And then the pretty set of earrings, which I like. Very, very nice. So that is the video for today. Remember to like this video, share with all your friends, leave me a comment, and most importantly, subscribe. Subscribing is free for you and means the world to me. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.